Ka kanhun Mintri ka Sorkar jala, kala ay ka jingmynjur ban thaw ka Police Accountability Commission, kumbal ka daw hapo ka Meghalaya Police Act, arjash pau. Hadian ka jingalang, umintri Sorkar uba walat miki shila ulaong. Ka kanhun Mintri kala ay ka jingmynjur ya ka jingterwa ban thaw ka Police Accountability Commission. Ya kanika commission on clear daw officer IAS bala Shongthan upita ingti kum uchairman but ka IAS bala Shongthan ka kong VRCM kum kadkan. Ka kanhun menteri kala airu ka jingmynjur ya ka Meghalaya floodplain zoning bill arja arpun rio banrap menteri.
So I'm just here to brief you about the agenda which got approved in today's cabinet. So firstly, the cabinet has approved to place the bill named Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill 2026. Secondly, proposal for establishing the Police Accountability Commission as per Section 73 of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. Third is the amendment of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. This is because the police, according to the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, we need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Sri Peter Ingti, IAS retired, as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Same, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in the government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee.